and the Tesla tiny house. Let's go inside and have a bit of a look through. Well, we're inside the Tesla tiny house. This is 2 kilowatt solar panels on the roof, which is connected to the Powerwall.
So right now there are leaked specs circulating online suggesting that Tesla may be developing a tiny house that costs just $5,983. You heard that right. Under $6,000 for a fully autonomous 240 square foot dwelling with an integrated solar roof, a built-in Powerwall battery, and AI-powered climate control that adjusts itself automatically for aging residents. And here's the part that's got everyone talking. This tiny house allegedly generates enough free electricity to save retirees over $200 per month in utility bills. That's over $2,400 a year back in their pockets. Oh my goodness. If even half of this is true, it could completely change the lives of millions of seniors who are struggling right now on Social Security. But is this actually real, or is it too good to be true? What do Tesla's actual energy products already prove is possible today? And could Elon Musk really be designing a home specifically for the 12 million seniors facing energy poverty in America? Find out now. Welcome to the Visionary Vault. As Elon Musk once said, "I think it is possible for ordinary people to choose to be extraordinary." And honestly, we think affordable housing powered by free solar energy would be pretty extraordinary. So let's get into it. Before we talk about the Tesla house, we need to understand why people are so desperate for something like this. And the numbers are honestly heartbreaking. Right now, over 17 million seniors aged 65 and older in America are living below 200% of the federal poverty level. That's according to data from the Center on Budget and Policy Priorities. The average Social Security retirement benefit is about $22,000 a year. Sounds okay until you realize that the average electricity bill in the United States just hit $152 per month. That's over $1,800 a year just to keep the lights on. But wait, there's more. Utility companies across the country requested or received approval for $29 billion in rate increases in just the first half of 2025 alone. Crazy numbers. And past due utility balances jumped 9.7% between 2024 and 2025, reaching an average of $789 per household. In Pennsylvania alone, power shutoffs rose 21%, affecting over 270,000 households. So you've got seniors on fixed incomes watching their electricity bills climb higher every single month, while their Social Security checks barely keep up with inflation. Some of them are literally choosing between heating their home and buying their medication. That's not an exaggeration. That's reality for millions of Americans right now. So is it any wonder that when rumors started circulating about a Tesla tiny house that could eliminate electricity bills forever, comment sections overflowed with heartbroken retirees begging for purchase information? All right, let's now move on to what's actually being claimed about this alleged Tesla house. And we want to be upfront with you here because we believe in giving you the full picture. The viral claims describe a fully autonomous 240 square foot dwelling priced at just $5,983. It supposedly features an integrated Tesla solar roof with around 26% efficiency, a built-in Powerwall battery with up to 20 kilowatt hours of storage, and an AI-powered climate control system that adjusts automatically based on the age and needs of the resident. Some sources even claim it requires zero maintenance, and that Tesla designed it specifically for seniors facing energy poverty. Now here's where it gets really interesting. Whispers suggest there could be a special program that would provide these units at factory cost to people on fixed incomes. We're talking about a potential government partnership targeting those 12 million seniors who can't afford their energy bills. Have you seen the Jetsons? Because this honestly sounds like something straight out of that show. A tiny smart home that powers itself, thinks for itself, and costs less than a used car? That's pretty wild. Now here's why these rumors gain so much traction. Because Tesla's actual energy products are already incredible. The Tesla Powerwall 3, which launched in late 2023, packs 13.5 kilowatt hours of battery storage and delivers 11.5 kilowatts of continuous power output. That's enough to run your refrigerator, lights, air conditioning, and even charge a Tesla vehicle all at the same time. A single unit costs around $9,300 for the hardware alone. Awesome technology. But that's not all. Tesla just hit 1 million Powerwalls installed worldwide in 2025. 1 million homes storing their own energy. Think about that for a second. And when you pair a Powerwall with Tesla's solar roof, homeowners can generate and store their own electricity, potentially going completely off-grid. Some homeowners in programs like the Swell Energy Home Battery Rewards in Hawaii are actually earning around $350 per month by selling excess solar energy back to the grid. Incredible. And Tesla already built a tiny house once before. Back in 2017, Tesla created a mobile tiny house powered by a 6-panel 2-kilowatt solar system and a Powerwall battery. It toured across Australia to showcase how solar and battery storage could power an entire home. The whole thing was built from locally sourced chemical-free timber and controlled through the Tesla mobile app. So the concept isn't science fiction. Tesla literally put it on wheels and drove it around. And by the way, the federal tax credit currently gives homeowners a 30% discount on solar and Powerwall installations. For a system that costs $16,000 installed, you could get it for around $11,200 after the credit. That's a game changer for anyone looking to cut their electricity bill to zero. Here's another piece of this puzzle that makes people believe Tesla could actually do this. Elon Musk himself lives in a tiny house. Well, sort of. Musk purchased a Boxable Casita for about $50,000 and had it delivered to SpaceX's launch site in Boca Chica, Texas. It's a 375 square foot prefabricated home that can be unfolded and assembled in about an hour. Musk confirmed he owns one and uses it as a guest house. The Boxable Casita already has over 100,000 people on its wait list because the demand for affordable, compact housing is absolutely through the roof. No pun intended. And recently, Tesla actually entered into an agreement with Boxable to design and build a micro-amenity structure for a Tesla supercharger location. So we've got the richest man in the world choosing to live small, his car company already partnering with a prefab housing startup, and his energy division already proving that solar plus battery can power an entire home. We think it's not a stretch to say that some version of a Tesla-powered tiny house could absolutely become reality. Now, what sounds like the better deal to you? Paying $1,800 a year in rising electricity bills for the next 20 years? That's $36,000. Or investing in a solar-powered home that pays for itself and then generates free energy for decades? We're confident the math speaks for itself. Now, we always want to be honest with you, and many people remain skeptical about these claims. So let's address the elephant in the room. Fact checkers have confirmed that Tesla has never officially announced any housing product for sale to consumers. The $5,983 price tag has not been verified through any official Tesla source. The 2017 tiny house was a marketing demonstration unit, not a commercial product. And realistic estimates for building a tiny home with Tesla solar and Powerwall technology today would run somewhere between $80,000 and $150,000, not $6,000. So the specific viral claims? We have to be straight with you. They're not confirmed. But here's what is real. Tesla's solar roof technology works. The Powerwall works. AI-powered energy management works. Prefab housing at scale is already happening through companies like Boxable. And the federal solar tax credit still offers a 30% discount on solar installations through the end of 2025. All the pieces of this puzzle exist right now. They just haven't been assembled into one product yet. Imagine this. You're a 72-year-old retiree living on $1,600 a month from Social Security. Every winter you dread opening your utility bill because last February it was $230. You had to skip refilling one of your prescriptions just to keep the heat on. Now imagine a small, beautiful, prefabricated home in your backyard or on a small plot of land. The solar roof collects energy all day. The Powerwall stores it for nighttime. The AI system knows you like it at 72 degrees during the day and 68 at night. And it adjusts automatically so you never have to think about it. Your electricity bill? Zero. Your monthly savings? Over $200 that goes right back into groceries, medication, and actually living your life. That future isn't science fiction. Every single piece of that technology exists today. It's just a matter of someone putting it all together at scale and at a price point that regular people can afford. And if there's one person on this planet who has proven he can take expensive technology, mass produce it, and bring the price down to something ordinary people can buy, it's Elon Musk. He did it with electric cars. He did it with rockets. We believe he could do it with housing. And honestly, we think the demand is already there. Those comment sections full of seniors begging for purchase information prove that millions of people are ready to buy something like this the moment it becomes available. Now we want to ask you, the YouTube viewer, what do you think? Would you buy a Tesla-powered tiny house if it could eliminate your electricity bill forever? And if it were you, what would be the maximum price you'd be willing to pay for a home that generates free energy for life? Please let us know your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.